Hi and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today, in this episode, we're making tteokbokki. It's a Korean dish, basically rice noodles with a chili sauce. I still remember the first time I had this. It was, I think, 2007, something like that. I was in New York at a restaurant called Hanjan, still exists today. And I got served this, and it was just mind-blowingly good. And it's really simple to make. I will show you afterwards, obviously. But this is what the finished product looks like. So let's have a look at the ingredients. And as always, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And as well, if you want to be updated on new content, click the bell icon. Now, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients we need for the tteokbokki. We got 1 tablespoon of gochujang, a little bit of cut spring onion to decorate. We have some chopped onion. We have a bit of sliced onion. So it's 1 sliced onion and 1 chopped onion. We have 3 chopped garlic cloves. We have the rest of the spring onion. I would say that's probably 6-7 stalks of spring onion. We have the 2 cups of dashi. Struggling to focus on it. We have around 250 grams of Korean fish cakes. We have the rice noodles. It's about 500 grams. And we have the medium soft boiled eggs that go in at the end. And I almost forgot 1 cup of Gochugaru. Before we get cooking, I forgot to tell you about 1 ingredient, and that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. And what we'll start with is kind of the sauce, which is based on the dashi. We'll warm that up, basically bring it to a boil. Then we'll add the gochugaru, the gochujang, the chopped onions, and as well as the chopped garlic and the sugar. Once we've done that, we'll let it reduce. It shouldn't be a sauce, it should just coat the rice noodles. It should be quite sticky. So we'll reduce that until we're happy with the kind of stickiness of it. Then we'll put that to the side. We'll get a hot frying pan with some oil in it. We'll fry the rice noodles, medium heat, 10 to 15 minutes. They shouldn't really brown very much, but they should still get a little bit of a crunchy surface to them. Once they have that, we add the fish cakes, the spring onion, and the sliced onion. And we turn up the heat for about 2 minutes. Kind of get everything together. And then at the end, we'll mix both together. Should you feel that it's too sticky, then you can add a bit of water. And if it's too watery, you just have to reduce it a bit more. The eggs we'll put on top at the end, as well as the spring onion. So let's see what we get. Here we are with the finished tteokbokki. As you can see, or as you just saw, well, first of all, I had to switch my clothes. because I got some chili sauce on it and it didn't go out, so I have to wash it. But I'm in a shirt again, so representable. Second of all, I had to change the pan when frying the rice dumpling. The copper pan was not really ideal for that. It was a bit too sticky. But I changed it, as you could see, into a normal non-stick frying pan, and that worked great. So it's time to give it a taste. Get everything kind of on there. Some fish cake, some dumpling. It's fiery. I just got something stuck in my throat, but it's just as I remember it. It's nice and kind of doughy. It's great. A perfect combination of a bit of sweetness, saltiness, savory, gooey, really yummy stuff, basically. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. It's a bit shorter than what I usually like, or what I usually make. If you prefer that, please leave a comment below. If you've been watching to here, you must have liked something, so please click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be updated on new content, also click the bell icon. But that's it for this time. Next time, I think we're making Swedish cinnamon buns. As a Swede. Yeah, well, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.